Elungati Opas Sam Justice kandi obwahati ari kukorera omwanya ogu ogwabire gubamu egari y'omwika nk'amaju agasigireho nagira ngu amaju aga nagihamu rent eri kugaruka omu kitongole ekya Uganda Railway kandi nagira ngu nibagahera aha bantu kuraramu aha sente nke munonga eziri kubasibwa.
Here as representing Uganda Railways as a state assistant who is in charge of the railway estates, the railway land, and controlling through 3 stations, that is Kabuga, Kamwenge, and Jura railway stations. So basically my work in this place, why I'm employed in this place, is to see to it that the premises, the tenants who are there pay in their rent, because these people who are staying in these houses pay rent to Uganda Railways. So I to make sure that the rent is paid monthly, and then taking charge of the land, seeing to it that the land is not, or the encroachers, some other foreigners do not come and claim the ownership of the land. So when I see that there is anything of that sort, I have to make the head office aware of it, and they come and sort it out. I would also be in charge of the line, seeing to it that the line is not vandalized, but unfortunately this one was already done. The line was vandalized. That was, I think, early 90s. That is when the line was vandalized. So now there is nothing I'm taking charge in regards of the line. So basically what I'm in charge is seeing that the rent is paid and the land encroachers don't take advantage, because when a person who is in charge is not there, somebody takes advantage and goes ahead and puts either as a permanent structure or uses it for other things or to do.
Okwa kureba higuru aha hamwanya ogubangira ngo bagweta Kabuga station aho egari yo mwika yabire naho eparkinga kuruga mwanya ogogo rukureba kwikakamwenje omutahuni aho to abantu tureba aha program hariho kilometers 8 zonka.
By 80s, it is around 88, 89, I was also still young. I used this line. I boarded from Kampala and I went up to Kasese, and the passenger train was still going, but due to some kind of insecurity which cropped in the place, the area, that is why the passenger train had to be stopped. And I think that was late 80s, that is around 89, I think. But the line was still intact by then, because even around 90, I think I used these motor trolleys and we again moved up to Kasese. So the line was still intact by then, and it was after that, that period of that was within the 90, and that is when the line was destroyed.
Kandi aha naho bakaba collectingira ibintu egare ke parking aha egira ibintu ebiyabasa kutwara eri kuraba kamwenje eri kuyungira muri Kampala.
No, basically what you saw down there, that is the goods shed. That building comprised of the goods shed and then the office, booking office, and then there was a shed where passengers could wait, and even some goods could be put there if the store was full. So the train, the goods train would come. There was a line which was just next to that shed there. She would come and it is loaded with the goods which were stored in the goods shed, and it could be transported to the respective destination, either Kampala or next stations.
Ekyanga kyawe na nebiri kukikwataho mutenda kutwara byanga bitali bimwe na bimwe twetoroze siyona twereke ngu really oyino kubasa kumanya ebyo mchanga ekyo.
To me, the railway transport was favoring so much the lower person. When you talk of even the goods, it was not all that expensive compared to now the road transport. When the line was still operational, it was clear and people could not come near because they know the train was passing. If it gets any accident, it will fall on one. But now they know somebody can go ahead to put even a structure besides where the line was passing.
Egali kurugaho kwayo kabanza yama bagira ngo egali neza kwizaga rwa kashatu no rwa mukaga. Abantu twatandika kurira amaziga, abantu bamanyira bagira ngo ngo egali neza kwizaga rwa mukaga ruwonka. Nabwo abantu baba infected munonga twe turiya ngo egali yarugiro kimwe. Hasigara yemigugu guduzi. Twe turiya guduzi nayo yarugaho twagaruca kimwe umubworo.
Waza kwetegereza erizo umushubuzi n'uwa kuyinesha mu 50 tukashubura ago tukubasa nutera kuzigurira hano kandi uziguriza hano. So kimanyisa ngo amagoba tigakiriho abwentambura yabire hayi
boro kugira ngo batwe korasi kamagana 2 batwe gare mwe nekire ibintu byone abwe gare niye kureta abasubuzi bakaturetera sente ka mwingi.
Aha bwizoberi twabasa kureba ubuto rw'egari yo mwika omuri Kamwenge district. Tuzakuba tukongeraho bingi omu district eya Kamwenge. Ndi Edmond principal farmer aha TV West program ecyanga cyawe na nebiru kukikwata.